Hey guys, welcome to question FM293 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question shows us this diagram here and then says, in the box below, write the number of Hamiltonian circuits involving all 8 vertices in the graph above. So, looking at this graph here, in order to create a Hamiltonian circuit, we're going to run into an issue with this graph. And this is true of any graph that has a vertex like this. I'm not sure if there's an official name for a vertex like this one. I like to think of it as a sort of a bottleneck. So obviously, in order to get to these 2 vertices here and to these 5 vertices over here, you have to travel through this vertex here, which makes it impossible for us to have a Hamiltonian circuit. And this is why. If we were to start at one of the vertices over on this side, we could go from this vertex to here, and then once we've passed through this vertex, because we can't reuse the same vertex more than once, we can't actually make it back to this side to complete our circuit. So even if we went all the way around, we couldn't go back through to get back here. The same situation happens if we start on any of the vertices over on this side. So say we started at this vertex here, and we traveled around. As soon as we got to this vertex here and passed through it, we wouldn't be able to get back to finish. We couldn't go back through it again to finish our circuit. Also, if you're thinking, what about if I started at that vertex? Well, either way, once you leave that vertex, you can't get back to the other side. So if you start at this vertex and go right, you're never going to be able to get back to the left side. And if you go left, you're never going to be able to get back to the right side. So the correct answer for this question is 0. We can't have any Hamiltonian circuits make it through this graph. If you guys have any questions about this, please drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.